Hi guys, here we are, strangervtours.com. We're at Thousand Trails, Las Vegas, and I thought I'd take a walk around and show you the facilities. 1,000 Trails, Las Vegas. Nice clean entrance. Here's the office. And everyone's been super nice here. We've had a really good time. And security's good. No problems around here so the whole time we've been here. So they've got propane available, and we have codes for the bathrooms and codes to get in after hours, and it's been pretty cool. They've got lots of people with dogs, and Greg even said he saw someone walking a cat. That'd be a challenge with my cat. We'll see how that goes with our cat. But clean little cabins too. They're nice. See, it's one of their cabins. And this has lots of trees, which is nice. A lot of the facilities around here don't, just because we're in the desert. So we're going to hit up a couple more RV parks before we go out full time. But here's a dog walking area, and you know, they keep up with everything really nice. See, there's a cabin with a nice deck. So anyway, they said they have 200 spots here, which they said, oh, that's not very big, but it seems big to me. Of course, we're not experts. So, and I'll take you over to the other side. See, barbecue grill. We ran a cabin. That's nice. We paid $97 for 2 nights, but we're not members yet, so that's not too bad. Full hookup, and nice to see grass. You don't see much grass in Vegas unless they pay you to remove your grass in Vegas. But anyway, let's go take a look at the activity center and the pool. That'd be yeah. Looks like some people stay for quite a while. And there's a bulletin board here. Yeah, post different services, things for sale. And there's in the laundry rooms, I've seen some too, some posting. But the showers and bathrooms really clean. I'll show those to you. And just overall, we had a good time. We've been enjoying the pool and the hot tub, and walking the dog. And there's a little dog park. Cool. We drove by some other facilities, and they absolutely had no room in between. depending on how you park. That's a biggie right there. We've learned that. But, see what I mean? That's a cute little cabin, isn't it? Aw. Alright. Okay. Coming up to the activity center. Nice little gazebo. And this is where the pool is too, so. Here we're inside. They have a few little drinks, a few little necessities, and ice cream. Here we go. Let's go to the pool. You too. Yeah. There you go. Can you read that? Freedom isn't free. Thank you, veterans. And they're open 8 a.m. to 4:30. Closed Saturdays, Sundays. So that's why this is the first time we've been in there. And different things, different options for membership. And they do have a couple barbecue grills over here. Yeah, it'd be nice to have little get-togethers if you want. And since we used to be in the pool business, I could probably tell you all about their pool equipment. Yeah. See, Hayward? This is a heater. It is a heated pool. They don't keep it too warm, but it was comfortable. It was refreshing. And a little bathroom here. Oh, that was the men's. Oops. Showers. Rinse off. Here we go. See, the women's. They keep everything pretty clean here. Hey, nice hot tub. I'll take you over to the dog park area just a second. It's like really nice. Yeah, the hot tub's nice. It's nice and warm. They keep the hot tub nice and warm. Yeah, I'll show you the horseshoe pits too, which we didn't do. It was rather hot the last couple days. Now it's nice and cool. We had a little bit of rain this morning, and actually Vegas has been getting a lot of rain. It's really something else here. Isn't that cool? Yeah, there's RV wash and waxing, and you know, here's the propane station. Awesome. Okay, here we go to the dog park. They have different areas for dog necessities, which is convenient since you don't want to walk all the way across the park to the dog park itself. But here you go. Hi. Yeah, we took Max over here, let him play with the puppies. Greg would be sitting over there, and then I'd go to the pool, and then I'd come back and let him go to the pool. People hang out. It's nice and comfortable. A little windy, but the overcast is really nice. And Here, I get in here to the ladies' room. You can get water, 25 cents a gallon, and everything's got a code. There you go. There you go. Turn on the lights. There you go. Very clean. The showers are nice. It's like this has been recently redone. It's really nice tile work. And there's laundry over here. Get over here. Bouncing this thing around. Yeah. What, just $1? That's just $1? That's good. $1.75. So the dryer's $1, the wash is probably 75. And like, yeah, here's a bunch of information. And they have one of these posted at the gate too, where you can have services, which I guess they recommend. Right. Somebody lost a sock. Here you go. Yeah. Alright guys, let's head back, I guess. I guess the garbage needs to be picked up. Got full really quick. We've only been here 2 days and they filled up. So, all right. I guess Greg's gonna be working on some stuff inside. He wants a video inside. Yeah. All right, guys. This is Janet this time, and I'll turn this around. You guys, take it easy. Talk at you later. Bye.